Hey everyone. If you're planning a move in California, you might be wondering about moving permits and whether you actually need one. And today I'm breaking down California moving permits, so your move stays smooth and stress-free. So what exactly is a moving permit? In California, a moving permit is official authorization from a city or county that allows your moving truck to use public streets or occupy restricted zones. Cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego have rules about where big trucks can park, especially in crowded neighborhoods. Why should you care about permits? Because without the right permits, you could face fines, citations, or delays on moving day, especially in busy California cities. Permits make sure moving trucks don't block traffic, fire lanes, or restricted loading zones, and help your moving crew work safely and efficiently. Here's the good news. Getting a permit in California is usually straightforward. Start by checking with your city's public works or transportation department. Many cities offer online permit applications. You just fill out a form, pay any small fees, and download your permit. Be sure to do this before moving day so everything's in place. So remember, moving permits in California help keep your move legal, safe, and on schedule. Plan ahead, check local requirements, and secure your permit before moving day. For a complete guide and personalized help with your California move, visit 3movers.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips you can trust.